guys, I'm going to show you how to fix mouse cursor. For that, press Windows key, hold it, then press X. After that, press down arrow key, then move to device manager, then click enter. After that, press tab key until it is marked to desktop, then press down arrow key and press down. I can go to mic and other pointing device, then again press right arrow key and again press down arrow key, press enter this driver, then again press tab key, then press right arrow key and it moves to driver, then again press tab key, tab key, tab key, tab key, and then uninstall device, then press enter. Uninstall, okay, press enter. In my computer there is two driver, so again press down arrow key, then press enter, then press tab key, press right arrow key, then press again tab key, tab key, tab key, tab key, then uninstall device, enter. Mouse driver has been removed now. After that, press Windows, hold Windows, then enter X, press down arrow key, then shut down or sign out, then again press right arrow key, then you have to shut down, then again shut down or restart, then your mouse program will be solved.